Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Costco haul and a lot of similar products that we usually buy and then some new things that I found at this trip. But this is for, it's like mid-February, so this will get us through into at least the beginning of March. So let's just jump into it. I'll try to remember to post the prices down in the discussion or the information box below, because I know a lot of people ask about the prices. So I'll try to remember to post those down below. So I got the Premier Protein, the chocolate shakes. We go through these often. Every day somebody's having one. The coffee flavored or the cafe latte Premier Protein shakes, those are actually like a latte, so there's caffeine in it, and we just tried them I think the last time I went to Costco or the time before, and I really love them, so I got another box of those. I got some of the 5 cheese tortellini. This is just a really quick, easy couple of meals for us, so I'll throw those in the freezer. I grabbed a big thing of sauerkraut. I don't usually get this, but I just sounded really good. We have some sausages left over from, I think, my last trip, so I figured I could eat sauerkraut on the sausages and throw it on eggs, even, like anything. It's really good for your gut health, so I thought I'd pick some of that up. The English muffins, we get these every single time for our breakfast sandwiches. We do egg whites, Canadian bacon or like turkey bacon with some cheese on the English muffin. It makes for a really quick and easy breakfast. I got these Veggie Bites. They're kind of like tater tots, but there's just a bunch of vegetables in here, and so you get two-thirds cup of vegetables per serving. And my kids will eat these, and I'm trying to figure out different ways to get vegetables in them, as well as find vegetables that they'll like and eat. If you have any ideas, let me know below. I got some more sliced almonds. We are almost through our big bag like this. We eat these in oatmeal. We eat them in yogurt, just like all kinds of things. So picked up another bag of almonds. I got a big bag of onions because I only have, I think, 1 onion left in my pantry. I got these New York steaks for Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is on Sunday. It's Thursday today. We had plans to take our camping trailer out of town, but we ended up just having to stay home. So I'm gonna make a special dinner for my husband and 2 little guys. So I got these steaks. And then I got some organic ground beef to have in the freezer. I have a lot of ground turkey and chicken, so I wanted to have the ground beef as well. And then a rotisserie chicken, we'll have this for dinner either tonight or tomorrow night. I'll make like a Buddha bowl out of it with rice and pinto beans, coleslaw, the chicken, and avocado, and just kind of like a special sauce, really delicious. And then we'll have leftovers of this as well for other meals. I got this chocolate fudge brownie. I thought this would be a really fun treat for Valentine's Day for a dessert, so I picked that up. I grabbed this naan bread. We really like this. I had seen a bunch of people buy, they had like buttered chicken at Costco recently. My Costco didn't have that, but I grabbed the naan thinking I would find it. I never found it, but I figured we could eat this with lentils, or I could make some sort of like chicken curry, and we can have those. I can also throw them in the freezer. I got some more chicken stock, some more paper plates, some Fuji apples, these candy grapes. I think I've had these ones before. They're just super sweet and delicious. We love red grapes anyway, but like the cotton candy ones or the candy ones, candy hearts, they're just extra sweet and delicious. So I got these chocolate covered strawberries. I figured I would send them to daycare with my 2-year-old tomorrow with his little Valentine treats for his little friends at daycare. Some regular strawberries for our house. Some more of the Vitafusion Women's multivitamin. This is the vitamin I take, and I'm almost out. I got some cucumbers. It's like the only vegetable that my 5-year-old likes, so we have some hummus in the fridge, so I figured I'd pick those up and cut them up for a snack. Some Downey Infusions. This was in a scent that I haven't seen at Costco before. It's the lavender vanilla bean, and it smells really good, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then I got this. This is Screwball Whiskey, and it's, what is it? like peanut butter whiskey. My sister-in-law told my husband and I about this, and my husband likes to drink scotches and whiskeys with his friends occasionally, and so I thought that would be fun to pick up for them to try, and it sounds really good. We got some kids face masks. These are just the disposable kinds. I figured we'll need these probably for a while. And then I got these bars. So the last couple times I've gone to Costco, I grabbed these ones. So these are the organic fruit jerky, and it's mango and pineapple. Each bar only has just the fruit in it, and that's all that's in it, no added ingredients. And I saw that Costco had the asterisk on this brand, so that means they're going out of store. So I got 2 more bags of this because my 2-year-old loves these. He probably has one a day. And so I figured it's just such a good healthy snack. I didn't want to be without it, so I grabbed 2 of those. And then they have these now. They're called mini fruit bars. It's by the brand That's It. And each bar only has 2 ingredients, so there's no added sugar. The strawberry bar has apples and strawberries, and then apples and mango, and then apples and blueberries. So there's 2 fruits per each bar. So I thought we'd give those a try. Some Cascade Dishwasher Soap. That was on sale, so I picked up a backup of that. Tillamook sliced cheese. We love the Tillamook cheese. We got some cauliflower florets. I figured I would make some sort of like cheesy cauliflower bake or something to try to get my kids to eat it with salmon one night for dinner. This Caesar salad kit, we love that. We'll either have that as, you know, sides for a couple of dinners. Like I won't make the whole bag at once, so I'll just mix it together as we eat it. Or my husband and I will have that for lunch with like, salmon on it or chicken or something during the day. Because we work from home, and our oldest goes to kindergarten and our little guy goes to daycare. So, and then we have these fig bars. These are a staple in our house. We go through these, I don't know, one every 6 weeks probably. So I picked up another box of those. The egg whites that we use for our breakfast sandwiches. These classic baby creamer potatoes. I love these. Just olive oil, salt, roasted in the oven. So delicious. So I'll make these with the steaks for Valentine's Day, and then I have some asparagus in the fridge that I'll make, and then I'll probably roast like a third of the bag and still have, 2 other meals out of this bag. And then we have these Chewy protein bars. These were new. I hadn't seen these before, and it says that there's 10 grams of protein. I thought they'd be a little chewier like their other chocolate chip granola bars, but they're a little bit crunchy, kind of chewy. They are really good. I had one on my way home, but I figured this will be a good snack for the kids because at least they'll get some protein in them when they're eating, a snack bar. Let's see how much sugar is in this. 6 grams. That's not too bad. So anyway, protein bar. 2 gallons of milk, a big thing of chocolate chips. We actually went through, with all the baking we did around the holidays, we went through our big bag of chocolate chips. I was surprised by that. So got a new bag of this Oat Nut Bread. This is the kind of bread we love. 2 bags of celery sticks. I am gonna make a gnocchi soup that has celery in it, and then I think we'll probably juice the rest of this and just drink it. So, and then I might try like peanut butter and raisins as a snack for my kiddos too with that celery. And then tomatoes, and I think that's it. Oh no, I have more over here. So Sun Chips, they had this big box that was on sale. Garbage bags were on sale. And then I grabbed these pillows. I got 4 of them for our living room. They were $11.99 a piece, and I just thought they were really pretty and great for the spring. So that is what I got this month at Costco. Let me know if you found anything new recently, and if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe and stick around. I'll talk to you in my next video.